All right. Let's imagine having a customer 360-degree view of every customer in real time. A world where customer data from multiple sources comes together effortlessly, providing personalized experience at scale. That's the power of Salesforce Data Cloud. Yes, we're going to talk today about Salesforce Data Cloud. Welcome to today's video, and this is all about Cloud's channel. Thanks for stopping by at my video. Now, let's say if you are in marketing, sales, customer services, or in IT, you deal with customer data. You need to know about Salesforce Data Cloud. By the end of this video, I promise you will understand what is it and how it works and why it is a game changer for businesses. Now, let's get into what is really the data cloud, right? I know this is the first question you have. So what exactly is data cloud? Salesforce Data Cloud is a real-time customer data platform that unifies all customer data from different sources like CRM, websites, mobile apps, social media, third-party systems, or any other external systems into a single customer profile. That means no more data silos, no more guessing, no more outdated information, right? Think about it as a central nervous system of your customer data. It takes in the data from everywhere, makes sense of it, and allows the business to act on it real time, right? Now, why does it matter, right? Now let's get into why does it matter. Businesses today are really data rich, but insight poor. With so much customer data scattered across different systems, it is hard to create meaningful and personalized experiences. Salesforce Data Cloud solves this by number one, unifying the data from multiple sources, cleaning and harmonizing the data for accuracy. And the third one is activating insights instantly across Salesforce applications like Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud. Imagine a customer browsing your website, then calling the customer support, and later interacting with your chatbot. With the Data Cloud, every team knows exactly who that customer is and what they need. That is all in real time. Imagine how magic it is. Now, you might be wondering, how does it really work, right? Let's get into some. I'm not going to go into the very details, but at a very high level, there are 4 steps involved in the Data Cloud. Let's break it down and see this in 4 simple steps, right? Number 1, data ingestion. First, it pulls the data from multiple sources, like I was saying earlier, CRM records, website interactions, mobile apps, even IoT devices, or some other external systems. All of that data comes into using data streams. That's the terminology you should remember. The second one is, once the data is in here, you're going to do the identity resolution, because the data is coming from so many different sources, and you need to identify this person as one individual. These customer records that are coming from different systems, you need to identify as one individual, and you have to create one profile for each customer. So then it's basically cleaning and unifying this data, linking different customer records together using the identity resolution. So if a customer interacts through different channels, Data Cloud recognizes them as one person, not multiple fragmented profiles. That's the beauty, right? Now the third one is the segmentation and insights. Once the data is unified, business can create customer segments based on behavior, preferences, or past interactions. For example, you want to target loyal customers who haven't purchased in 3 months? Done. You can do it. Want to identify customers who browsed a product but did not buy it, did not do any purchase? That's easy. You can do it now. Now, the fourth one is really the activation and personalization. Finally, the data activates this information. Data Cloud activates this information across Salesforce products like Marketing Cloud, Personalization Campaign, Service Cloud, Proactive Customer Support, and Commerce Cloud for tailored shopping experiences. That's what the activation is, because you have this all data. Now you can activate it, putting it into action. Let's say you have a lightning flow in Salesforce, or you have UI or an Apex, or any components that you have in Salesforce. You can make it work with not just the data that you have on your org, but you can also tap into this profile data that you're getting from the data cloud, and real-time insights from external systems. That's what it is. Now let's get into some of the real world use cases, right? I think so I picked like 4 industries where we can see this, how it can be used. So for example, in retail industry, you can personalize shopping recommendations based on their browsing history, because you can ingest this data that is coming from maybe Adobe Analytics or some other web analytics tool, and dump this all data, or have this as a data stream into Data Cloud, and you're able to build the customer profile and be able to make some utilizing the AI. Salesforce Einstein recommendations can be generated using this data, because your AI is grounded based on this customer browser history, or their interactions with your company. Now, customer support domain is really challenging, because you want your agents to empower them with some more insights with the customer, so that when they are picking up this call, they know as much as information as they can gather about this customer upfront, so that they can confidently service this customer and able to resolve their queries, or their service requests. That is going to happen with the power of Data Cloud, because the agents can see real-time customer interactions before they pick up the call. Let's say the customer went into their self-service site and got stuck. Maybe they having some issue on their self-service experience, and they're calling, and the CS, the customer professional, will know that right before they're picking the call from this customer. Now think about in the healthcare industry, right? The healthcare industry, think about if you can power the healthcare domain with this AI driven patient reminders. Think about, imagine that the AI can tap into this data and be able to give the patient reminders. And the other one is like banking and financing. You can do some fraud detection and risk analysis in real time. Maybe you can look at the browser history, the IP addresses, and the login behaviors, and the login attempts. All of that can be combined, and you can draw some insights and actually do some fraud detections, or maybe some risk analysis. No matter the industry, right? Salesforce Data Cloud helps businesses connect with the customers like never before. That's what it is. Now, if you look at this, right, why we want to choose this Data Cloud, right? This is real-time data processing. This is not in batch. That's the beauty of it, right? And what happens with CDPs is often they get some batch processing and all that, which makes it not so beneficial. But Salesforce Data Cloud is real time. It can give those insights right into your CRM system or your service call center application, or like Service Cloud, or your marketing application in real time. So it's integrated to Salesforce platform. The metadata is all well known between these two orgs, and you'll be able to use the power of those metadata, right? And you look at the other one, which is the AI, right? Salesforce Einstein AI is having this seamless integration to work with the data cloud, because your large language models can actually use this data cloud to ground that AI models with this data cloud. And of course, you know that the Salesforce Einstein AI is zero data retention policy. So your data is not stored by any LLM. We don't have to get into those topic yet, but think about it. If you're having an AI and it is grounded with your customer data, it can provide much more meaningful insights to the service rep or sales rep, whoever is using those whatever the AI services that you use, right? And the scalability, right? Data cloud is for all sizes of businesses. It's not just for small or big. It can grow with the company, how it is performing, or it can take any large data that you have, if you're wondering if you have a large data. Now, I think that's in summary, that's what it is, right? Salesforce Data Cloud unifies, cleans, and activates customer data in real, helping businesses to create personalized and data-driven experiences. That's the power of it. And like any Salesforce products, the beauty of it is, it's not that you don't need to be a super skilled to really start using it. You just go through some bunch of trailheads, or like any admin, a trained admin, understand the data a little bit, be able to quickly get hands-on with the data cloud. You don't need specialized or a data scientist to be there to work with these the data cloud. So you will see a lot of those concepts of data cloud are much more familiar for any advanced or a regular Salesforce administrator. So it's easy to jump on. There's a lot of trailheads that are available. You can easily get into there and get up to speed with using that. And the other benefit of data cloud is, this data cloud has laid a foundation. So if you are setting up a data cloud, it's not just thinking about the current use cases that you have, but the future use cases where the AI can come in. It's ready. So you laying the foundation for your future use cases also, because Salesforce AI, Einstein AI, and a lot of its services has seamless integration to data cloud, and uses that data cloud to ground its models to get to the right insights out of the services that you are enabling for your Salesforce users. So that's what it is. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights, and drop a comment below. What excites you and most about what is really your thoughts about data cloud, and any other topics that you want to deep dive about data cloud, please put a comment there. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Thank you.